Happy Halloween from Carneades.org. In honor of this fantastically frightful holiday, we have an extra special thought experiment for you today. But before we get started on that, let's review some of the frightful and horrible thought experiments we've gone through this whole month. We've had out-of-control trolleys piloted by fat villains and organs. We've had kidnappers who are after your kidneys to save their violinist. We've had robots that have consciousness, pirates getting struck by lightning, evil clones saying the same word but meaning different things, giant babies, people stuck in rooms, demons, giant cicadas, and brains. And you know, where there are brains, there must be zombies. This, of course, leads us to our final thought experiment for the month. Philosophical zombies. A philosophical zombie is someone that seems to be a normal human, but does not in fact have conscious experience, sense experience, or qualia. They have all the physical states, but none of the mental states. You can't tell a philosophical zombie from a normal person, because consciousness is inherently private. They could be all around you right now, and you would never know. Like the Mary's room argument, this is an argument against physicalism. It says that there must be things beyond those physical facts that we can perceive in the world, because it is possible for philosophical zombies to exist, for things that seem to be exactly like us but lack consciousness to exist. If that wasn't scary enough, try this one on for size. Davidson proposes a worse version of the philosophical zombie, the Swampman. Davidson imagines that he goes into a swamp and is suddenly struck by lightning. At the same time, another bolt of lightning strikes the swamp and rearranges the molecules just by happenstance into a perfect replica of Davidson. But it's not Davidson. It's Swampman. Swampman will go on to write Davidson's papers and interact with his friends and family in the exact same way that Davidson would. But Swampman won't actually be interacting in the same way. It won't have the same causal history. It can't talk to people again because it didn't talk to them before. It can't reference what happened yesterday because yesterday it was a pile of molecules in the bottom of a swamp. It can't recognize things because it never cognized them in the first place. It does not have consciousness, and its interactions are importantly different than those that Davidson would have. Therefore, there is more to the world than physical facts. Thanks for tuning in to Carneades.org all this month and watching these fantastic thought experiments we've presented for you. Click on any of the days of the calendar to check out any of the 34 thought experiments presented here. Have a happy Halloween and stay skeptical, everybody.